Have you heard of golden milk? This ancient drink has been used in India for thousands of years to heal the body and calm the mind. Today, science confirms it can fight inflammation, boost immunity, and even help you sleep better. Let's explore why this golden drink is so powerful and how to make it at home. Golden milk, also known as haldi doodh in Ayurveda, is a traditional Indian remedy that stood the test of time. It's made by blending turmeric with warm milk and spices. Don't worry if you're lactose intolerant, you can easily use coconut, almond, or oat milk instead. The secret behind golden milk's power lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is a natural powerhouse, boasting anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Modern studies have revealed an impressive array of potential benefits. It can help relieve joint and muscle pain, making it a go-to for those with arthritis or post-workout soreness. If you struggle with digestive issues, golden milk might be your new best friend. It's known to improve digestion and support overall gut health. But that's not all. This golden elixir can also give your immune system a much-needed boost, helping you ward off pesky colds and flu. For those concerned about cognitive health, there's good news. Curcumin may support brain function and memory, and if you're looking to protect yourself against chronic diseases linked to inflammation, golden milk could be a delicious addition to your preventive health routine. While turmeric is the star of the show, golden milk's supporting cast of spices plays crucial roles too. Ginger works in harmony with turmeric, easing nausea and supporting digestion while adding to the drink's anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon isn't just there for flavor, it helps balance blood sugar and packs an extra antioxidant punch. Here's a little-known fact. Adding black pepper to your golden milk isn't just for taste. It actually activates turmeric absorption, increasing its bioavailability by up to 2,000%. Talk about a power duo. For those with a sweet tooth, a touch of honey not only adds natural sweetness, but also brings antibacterial benefits to the mix. And don't forget the healthy fats coconut oil or ghee improve absorption and support your metabolism. This magical combination doesn't just fight inflammation, it's also known to promote relaxation and better sleep. It's no wonder many people have adopted golden milk as a calming bedtime ritual. Imagine sipping on this warm, comforting drink as you wind down for the night, knowing you're nourishing your body and preparing for a restful sleep. Ready to try it yourself? Here's a simple golden milk recipe you can make at home. You'll need 2 cups of coconut or almond milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh grated root if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey optional, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or ghee. To prepare, start by pouring your milk of choice into a saucepan. Add the turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, pepper, and coconut oil or ghee. Gently heat the mixture for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly to blend the flavors. Once it's warm and fragrant, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly before adding honey to taste. Pour it into your favorite mug and voila, your golden milk is ready to enjoy. For those who love to experiment, try adding cardamom, nutmeg, or a splash of vanilla for extra flavor. You can even make a bigger batch and store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, reheating as needed. While many prefer golden milk in the evening for its relaxation benefits, you can also enjoy it in the morning for an energizing start to your day. If you're making it for kids, consider reducing the turmeric amount and skipping the black pepper. And for an extra special touch, add a pinch of saffron. It'll boost the antioxidant content and give your drink a beautiful golden glow. Would you drink golden milk in the morning for energy or at night for better sleep? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed learning about golden milk, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who might benefit from this ancient wisdom, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health recipes in our turmeric playlist. Remember, while golden milk is safe for most people, it's always wise to consult your doctor if you're on medications like blood thinners or diabetes drugs. Here's to your health and sweet golden dreams.